All right, we want to talk about the drought update today. Caroline, it's not looking so good for us.
No, in fact, extreme drought has increased by 8% across southeast Texas. That means now over 30% in extreme drought. And this is important because that means we now have a significant fire danger. It means water levels are very low. And we're not just talking about the extreme drought in the red. There's also the severe drought in the orange. You'll notice all of southeast Texas under some form of drought, and that drought has been growing since September. This means we are now considered in a long-term drought conditions. Specifically, 100% is a moderate drought, 83% severe, 30% in extreme drought. And this is concerning as we approach summer because those are our hottest months, and that's when our drought can rapidly get out of control. Let me explain what I mean because it's a vicious loop. When you have high heat, that leads to more evaporation. When you have more evaporation, that dries out our ground. When the ground is already dry, more sunlight energy goes to heating up the air instead of evaporation, which means drier ground can actually make us hotter. That leads to more evaporation, which makes us drier, which makes us hotter. It's this feedback loop that unfortunately can make a drought bad to worse very, very quickly. And this is why we need rainfall in order to break this vicious cycle. Rain chances here in Houston, very hard to find. In fact, we're not forecasting any rainfall through the rest of March. We have a 20% once we get to April 1st. And it does look like once we get to April, we'll start to see a pattern change, and we desperately need it because right now we've got a high pressure system locked in place in the desert Southwest. This has been pushing into West Texas, and this has been increasing our heat. That's why today for Astros opening day, we are hot out there. Temperatures reaching 88 degrees by first pitch. Keep in mind, this is 12 degrees above where we expect to be this time of year. And we're going to continue to stay warm, mild, and muggy overnight tonight. By tomorrow, once again, upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Now, we are forecasting a dry cold front. That's going to bring us down into the 70s for Saturday with lower humidity. So we do have some more pleasant days ahead, but we need them to be coming quick. Future Track is going to show that cold front passes through Houston. Not going to bring any showers and thunderstorms, but it will bring the low humidity and slightly cooler air as we head into Saturday. And I'll tell you what, if you like low humidity, get out and enjoy Saturday because that is the only day that we're going to see low humidity and highs in the 70s. After that, we're going to see temperatures climb. Now, Andy, it does look like we'll get another front as we approach Easter weekend, but that's going to still keep us in the 80s.
Yeah, as long as we can get the low humidity in here, I think we'll be okay.
It's the details of this forecast that really make a difference.
Devil's in the details. Caroline, thank you.